So today or yesterday, I got some new shoes, and they are some dual fusions. This is how they look like.
Let me get a turkey sandwich.
They're like this, and they're pretty basic, just different colors. And yeah, I like these. So the side of the shoe that most people will see you, they added some 3D type of material right here. It's pretty dope. And dual fusion right there. Dual fusion, and yeah. On the inside, it's just basically a Nike sign with the size and everything. It's pretty comfortable. The running shoe, they're really good running shoes. I would recommend you go buy some stuff. And the tongue just says Nike Dual Fusion S2. Now the font, it feels like some carpet, not like this, but it's a mat, basically a mat, and it's pretty cool. Shoelaces aren't any special. They added some type of rough material right here, the black stuff. And they've been used because I just wore them the other day. That used to be a sticker right there. I think that's on my sock, I'm not sure. Now the bottom of the shoe has like some friction stoppage right here. I'm not sure what you call them. And a Nike sign. I keep my shoes pretty clean. I don't like to mess them up because I barely get any. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, let's see that.